Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe with you guys. So this one is chicken teriyaki rice bowls. So first I just prep everything. So I do have a little steamer that I'm going to chop my broccoli and put it in there. And I like a lot of broccoli, so I fill up the entire steaming pot into kind of bite-sized pieces. And then I don't put that on the stove yet. I just set it aside while I prep everything else because it all kind of cooks at the same time and I don't want anything done too quickly. So next, I love these kitchen scissors. I use them to chop meat, green onions, like you name it. And I don't know, I just think it's a lot quicker. My knife skills aren't that good, so I like using these scissors. And I'm just cutting the chicken, I have about a pound here, into bite-sized pieces. And then when I get done with that, I also set that aside. I also have a pot that I'm making rice in as well that isn't pictured, but I'm going to season my chicken with salt and pepper. And then I'm going to make the sauce. So I have some brown sugar and some garlic. And I am kind of eyeballing most of this stuff. I have my ginger paste, which this stuff is amazing. You could find it next to the vegetables at the grocery store. And some soy sauce. And cornstarch that helps thicken it up. And then some apple cider vinegar. And I'm doubling the sauce recipe, and I'll put my exact recipe below so you know how much I added for everything. But if you don't want that much sauce, you can cut it in half. But I'm going to mix this together and set that aside. And you will need to mix it again before you dump it in the pan because it will kind of settle, but I just like to mix it to get the cornstarch kind of broken up. And once you're done with that, that is all the prep, and you can heat up some oil in a pan. Add in your chicken. I normally do add some more salt and pepper to it since I only seasoned one side of it. And you're just going to continue to cook that until it's all done. There's no more pink showing in the chicken. So I'd say the broccoli takes about 10 minutes and maybe the rice does too. And the chicken doesn't take long at all. And once it's done, I mix the sauce up again and then added that in. And that will thicken up pretty quickly. So I like to keep stirring that. And then I do add the broccoli to it once that's done. And then give it a good mix, and that is it. Your rice should be done at this point. So I do stir it to try to get everything well coated. It's kind of hard with how much is in the pan. Like I said, I do put a lot of broccoli in there. But once that's done, you can go ahead and put some rice in a bowl and then put some broccoli and chicken on top, and that is it. We make this all the time. It's a favorite in my household, surprisingly, with my picky eaters, but it's delicious. If you guys want to, please subscribe and stay tuned and check out my other recipes below. Bye, guys.